And now mom is going to make the magic portion for hair recovery. So we'll need coconut oil and this fenugreek seed
Onion.
and onion.
Fenugreek seed.
Only 1 teaspoon, guys. That's it, guys. Very simple. And now we'll wait. We'll let it boil for a while. Let it fry for a while. And then once it's cold, I'll have to apply in my hair. If I apply it hot, then all my hair will fall out. Hair oil time, guys. See? That's the oil. And that's how you apply. My head is uneven. My head has so many bumps, speed breakers, massage happening. Now now my hair will smell like, what?
Banana chips.
Banana chips. My hair smells like banana chips, guys.
The next day.
Guys, Snaggy. Unfortunately, there. Where? There, Snaggy head. Lucky, you are so lucky. Lucky that I did not bring my catapult because we're going to church now. Jay, mommy, daddy. Suraj is not well, guys. He's sleeping, so we left him at home. So now only we going. And yeah, today we don't have any responsibility. I mean, in the church, like chairman opening prayer is nothing. So, and yeah, after the church, we'll have to decorate Christmas tree. So stay tuned. And before that, we are going somewhere, so it's gonna be a surprise. Just stay tuned. And if you haven't liked the video, like in the beginning, so you don't miss at the end, and leave a comment also. Just write anything, like James my crush, Jay is not my crush, like that. You can write anything. Now the time is 1:46. We'll go to the place now. So it's a surprise, guys. We'll go and then you'll see.
What place?
It's nearby from this place, so we'll take Toto and then we'll go slowly. Suraj woke up, guys. Suraj woke up. How are you feeling now? You feeling alright?
I'm good.
Suraj was not well, guys. Now let's see his face. Let's see your face. Suraj the handsome boy, somebody said in his dream. Okay. Guys, Suraj ordered this one. It's huge.
No, I ordered huge because there was no size small. Now I'm gonna replace it.
If Jay wears this, it looks like a tent. He's wearing a tent, guys. If we put a stick in between, he can sleep under it.
You look so funny.
Funny boy. And guys, we bought this milk so that we can gain some weight. 3 of us, 10 each. Oh, not just this, okay? Not kidding. We'll add supplements, weight gainer. We need to gain weight before we go to Thailand, otherwise we'll look very skinny.
Gain weight in 10 days.
We'll do a challenge, guys. Gaining weight in 10 days with milk. Maro mujhe. Let's go! What the heck are you doing? Mirroring your phone. Chalo. Now it's time. It's almost 2. We are leaving now. Our uncle came to receive us in his tro. Suraj also going.
Let's go.
Suraj, jaldi karo brush. Let's go. Mommy got ready. Now we'll have to go. We'll go in his Toto. He's our taxi now. We don't have car, so he's our taxi. It's a sunny day. It's not wintering still. Half sleeve. Before we leave, I want to give you an update about the garden. Check this out. This is what's going on in the garden. The vegetables we planted yesterday are sleeping. Still sleeping. They are not well, guys. They are not feeling well. And they're not feeling well. And the rest are healthy, wealthy, and wise. The rest are very, very super attentive in class. They'll all pass the exam. See, all standing straight. Nice garden. After a few days, it will become full of green. You'll not see the mud also. You'll not see the soil.
My slipper is there.
Your slipper is there. You'll put on this one.
Yes.
Garden slippers. Oh,
यो होती बांधने यो भी बांधने
tail lamp has fallen. The tail lamp has fallen down. They're fixing it.
We are helping our kaka.
Papa is helping Kaka.
We have to help him. He is very good kaka.
English त म बुझ्दैन
होइन काका एकदम राम्रो काका
मद्दत गर्नुपर्छ
Suraj the latecomer. Okay, I'll sit in front. Suraj. Oh, the whole family car, guys. Nice.
Whole family tour
Whole family tour. Now we can go peacefully. Okay. The time is 5:02, and we're going to that place. Let's go. Now we are at the Panighatta Mall. So we are going towards Siliguri. Behind us is Naxalbari market. Nice. Look at the garbage, guys. Wow, Saaf Safai, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. All the garbage dumped beside the road. Swachh Bharat. Even there, full. Wow. Kaka is also happy now. Yeah. That's why we need to do one abhiyan, garbage tracking abhiyan, and then we'll indicate, we'll point out the place where garbage are accumulated or dumped, so that the government can do nothing because it won't do anything. Lack of civic sense, guys. Here's a school. Yeah, the sign says that this place is nice, but because of the kuda, it's not nice anymore. Sad luck. So this is not the motive of our expedition here. We are going somewhere very important. Stay tuned. Our school compound is also full of garbage. Wow, there's no school. Because of Mela, all garbage inside the compound. Wow. Swachh Bengal. Wow, Aswachh Bengal. This is Aswachh Bengal. And now we have entered Asian Highway 2. So this is Asian Highway 2 number. Sat Bhaiya. The name of the place. Sat Bhaiya Ji. So Shivam stays in this area. Oh, sorry. Bedman stays in this area. Shivam stays in Hathigisa. Okay. See, it says Asian Highway 2. Papa is saying I'm going to misguide everyone. That's my objective. I'm going to misguide all of you guys. Stay tuned. Just hold on. More misinformation ahead. We are now at Hathigisa, and there's a train, if you can see. Far away. This is my family, guys. It's hot. These are my family members. And from Hathigisa, we are going to take left. If you are coming from Naxalbari, we are taking left. Otherwise, it's the right side. So we almost got stuck in speed bump. Here's the Gram Panchayat of Hathigisa. Gram Panchayat. Okie dokie. So if you live around in this place, guys, comment down below. I want to see if any one person is watching from Hathigisa. It's very unlikely. The only person watching could be Shivam, but I don't know if anyone else is there. Let me know in the comment section. It will make me super happy. So we are lost. We are asking for
अलिक
direction.
कागरी है
यो बुढी जानु छ नि
ये पोस्ट वाला ये पोस्ट है
यतापट्टि
Huncha. Thank you. We missed the first entrance, the first cut. Now we have to enter from here. So we are entering in small lane. I don't know where we're going, to be honest. Follow the doggy. Oh,
यो बाटो छ
there's a big road. Okay. Left, right? Left. It says Hathigisa High School. Hathigisa High School. So we have to go behind the school. This is so halla gulla because the road is too good. Very nice road, very halla gulla road. Wow. Wow, another dusty road. Guys, there's a small river also. See? Wow, very nice. Yeah, it's a nice and clean river. So there is a chai bagan also. There's a tea garden on the way. Nice place. Wow, very nice. Now no more halla gulla. Check this out. This place is nice. Chai bagan everywhere. Yep. Oh, photo shoot going on. They're far away. Nice. So this road, if you take this road, it leads to the highway. And this road is good, but we took the shortcut, so we had to suffer a little bit because of the shortcutness. Shortcut is no good. And so on our way back, we'll take the highway so that you can see how the road is down there.
Another school, that is mother's,
Where another school?
mother's home school.
Mother Home School.
Yeah.
There is another school, Mother Home School. Is that the red one? White red. Okay, so this Mother's Home School is nice. Located near the chai bagan. So right now we are heading towards our land. So we have another land here in Hatigisa. So this land is for future generation or just for investment. Now the time is 2:48 and we have entered quite deep inside enemy's territory. What? Just kidding. So we just crossed a village, Adivasi village, and our destination is to the right. Oh, I mean left. Just kidding. Almost there. Nice bamboo. I thought it was here. It's almost there, guys. It's almost. Just stay tuned. Actually, I forgot the place. Katabato. Oh, here. Oh, this. It's somewhere around here. We'll explore. Okay. So we are here. And landmark of our land is that plant. This is our landmark, guys. Banana tree near banana plant Panbi. I don't know which one is our land. I forgot. Last time we came in our car, it was like once upon a time, and now we don't remember. You remember?
There was no road. We had to cross in the paddy field.
Yeah, there was no road that time. We crossed through the paddy field. There is no vlog of that. Don't go and search. You won't find it. So somewhere around here, my father knows the exact location.
Chon also came.
Chon also came. Yeah, Chon might remember. I don't know. His memory is also weak. Chon don't remember anything. Let's see who occupied our land. Most probably the cows have occupied our land. Which side is it? That side. It was supposed to be near the canal, yeah. Because one side of our land touches the canal, right?
I'm not sure about that.
I'm sure about that because I remember crossing the dry canal. It was dry that time. What is that uncle doing there? Is he trying to intrude in our land? Huh? Is he trying to do something? I need to look everyone with the eyes of suspect. I'm going to misguide all of you. Just stay tuned. I'm very good at that. We are deep inside enemy's territory now. Where's the canal? Oh, this canal. It has no boundary. This canal. So our land is supposed to be on the other side of heaven. Oh, that's the land. I think this is our land. This is our land, I think. There's the canal. The bridge. Dry canal. Yeah, there's a dry canal. It's in the middle of nowhere, guys. Wow. There's the road. Bikers. Nowhere. No, nothing. Only one side. There are a few houses. And that's where we came in from. Which one? This one, right? I guessed it right. So let's go and see the measurements. I hope there are no snaggies. So our land starts from here. This side will have a canal, just like the one we have in our in our house, in
No one's
our
gonna live here.
current. No one's gonna live here, but just in case in future generation. Let's see how many khap is this. Oh, how many feet? Move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 by 1, 2, 3, 16, 17. 27, 17. This is crooked, so it might be less or more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 27, 17 and 30. This side, I don't know. This side a bit longer. That side a bit shorter. And this side also a bit longer. Yeah. Which side is the road?
Road.
Supposed to be road.
This.
This.
Oh, that's the road. Yeah, this.
This middle is.
This
Oh.
is road. That is road.
This side is road.
It's also
This side road. That side also road. And if they make the canal, I think they'll leave a road also.
No, they will not leave there.
Just like the one we have.
That side
Oh.
road.
no space.
Okay, that side. Okay, that side road. So this is reserved land for us, for the future generation, just in case.
You're gonna
we
move
want to
here
sell.
after you're getting married. It's for you.
This is your gift. Hi.
Your gift in marriage.
Okay, you can give me. I'll keep it for.
Start
I'll keep it for 15-20 years and then sell it off in the price of gold.
If road.
Ta-na-na-na-na-na.
Not
Here
gonna
road
work.
is
This place gold.
What if even after 15 years this place remains like this?
Let's go.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
road.
There won't be any.
Road बड़ा जाऊँ.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. In 15 years, what if there are big multi-media project?
Why should they build here?
Because this place is empty, so they get a lot of space. See, somebody died. You close your eyes, guys. If you're eating food, I'm sorry. There's one official road here, another official road there. Good. Ting.
This is like investing in crypto.
Yeah, this is like investing in cryptocurrency. Uncertainty principle applies here.
Mutual fund. It will take time, but someday
Someday, yeah.
it will grow.
It will grow someday. Maybe, well, not maybe in our generation. Maybe our children's generation, when there is no more land available for human beings. Our grandkids will be like, "Thank you, Papa, for keeping this land for us." But if we keep it, otherwise we're gonna sell it. We ash or aram ki zindagi. Yeah, they will struggle by themselves. We all struggle, so they will also have to struggle. Why should they be dependent on generational wealth? Huh. We did not get it, so they won't get it either. Yay! Let's go home. Enough. Now we have seen our land, guys. Here's a landmark. We'll leave it landmark. This is our land. Remember this stone, guys. On our way back, I sit at the back because I came first, and Jay had to sit in front. Yeah, but he gets the best view. But I was very tired because it's very uncomfortable to sit there for a long distance. What happened to you? Why are red his nose? Why your nose is red? Mom, why his nose is red?
He's crying.
Yes, crying. Mom is
After
savage.
showing our plot.
I'm showing. After seeing the flood, he's crying.
It's a very bad plot.
Some Mom is savage reply. Now we'll go from the highway, and I will show you the Chai Bagan ka rasta. And the road is good till the highway. So that's what I'm trying to prove. Now we have reached the Chai Bagan again. Very nice Chai Bagan. And there's the river again. The one which we came from. Clean and nice, wonderful river. Wow. So, yeah, on our way,
सीधे जाना
yeah,
होगा.
we came from their way. Now we'll go straight this way. This way has good way. I don't know how much time it took us, but now the time is 3:13. So you can do the math. So this is Civil Defense Resource Center, and it has Chai Bagan again. See, like this place is nice, except for the garbage again. So there is a cemetery here. Symmetry. Okay. Look at the Chai Bagan. It's a nice place. So that's the highway above there. So guys, if you want to buy our land, let me know in the comment section. Give away if you give me like good money. Exchange with money. So there's the highway, and that's how you cross. See, it says Royal Village Resort. So yeah, there is a resort near our land. There's swimming pool also. Okie dokie. Say stop. Now we have to cross the road. We need to be very extra careful because this is highway and all vehicles are speeding. Wow, that scooty wala. Wait. They almost left their scooty on the road, but they are safe. They took it with them. Okay, guys, our speed kept on increasing because the battery is running low. I hope we don't have to push it because it will be a problem. Slow and steady. We are here at the toll gate. The time is 3:26. We are just crawling, guys, at this moment. Crawling at the speed of infinity.
तपाईँले यसमा गइहाल्नु
Yes.
10 सिधा लिन्छ नक्सल यहाँदेखि 10
तपाईँ कसरी आउनुहुन्छ
यहाँ 10 रुपियाँ लिन्छ वहाँदेखि 10 रुपियाँ दिएर घर पुगिहाल्नु होइन
घरमा आउनुपर्छ
Okay. Naxal जाने Naxal bus stand.
बस स्टेसन होइन त्यो पानीघट्टा मोड
Okay, let's go to Panighatta Mode. Gaadi change. Uncle, bye bye. Bye bye, uncle. Gaadi change, now speed increased. No more load, so I think it will reach his house. Hopefully. Sad life for uncle, guys. Hashtag uncle sad life. This is very fast. What is advanced? Oh, there's a net now. Jay is protected from Suraj. Tom and Jerry. Mom, do we have money? Lucky. Mommy has money. Mommy a rich mommy. I am broke. Me, James poor. Now we came here. We'll stop here, and we'll pay him for this much. We'll have chai samosa and then yeah. We'll pay. Oi, I found 5 rupees. I'm so lucky. Wow, they stop right in front. मेरे को मिल गया पैसा गोल्ड पैसा मिल गया क्या करेगा मिल गया तो रखना पड़ेगा ऑलराइट सो विल हैव चाय क्या है वो
10 जनाको त 2 रुपियाँ छु
2 रुपये दे दिया अरे चीटिंग करता है ना
नीचे था तो
अच्छा
गल्ती से गल्ती
आफू नै धोखा दियो
okay thank you भैया alright let's eat something so they make everything fresh here says Raj I don't know Raj something so you get everything fresh here pakad right let's enjoy samosa chai hai chai nahi no chai guys you only get achapot no chai
It's hot.
huh
It's hot.
I know. Papa wants to eat jalebi. We'll eat this one here. We'll take jalebi home. And the time is 3:30, I guess. And then we had ras malai also. Oh, it's not ras malai. This doodh malai. Good. 0. Ta-da-da. Cheers.
I don't like that.
Kaka is here, guys.
बोलाएर खिलाइदे आउनु
समोसा खान आउनु
Kaka made it, guys. Happy ending. Khanu.
Yeah, get up there.
Happy ending for everyone.